Hello, my name is Lily Leavitt, and I am the Senior Practice Lead for Community Development at Craftsman Technology Group. Today I'm going to show you our CDFI Accelerator, which combines the best-in-class enterprise CRM capabilities of Salesforce, the power of business intelligence, and advanced data management, often leveraging a data warehouse. I'm going to show you our impact reporting in our CDFI Accelerator and the backend with a particular emphasis on a common CDFI need around TLR reporting or transaction level reports, and what this looks like, as it is incredibly important for those of us that need to report back to the CDFI fund. So as you can see here, we have created an impact dashboard highlighting a couple of metrics that are really important for CDFIs. For example, gross revenue for your clients and permanent jobs for your clients. And you can see the trends over time. In this case, for projects or deals that are closed in year 2020. And you can see the overall increase in gross revenue, overall increase in permanent jobs. And a nice thing too is you can see the breakdown by numbers and also the breakdown by percentages. The other thing is these dashboards are interactive, so I can filter it by, for example, different funders. So I can see all funders here, or I can see specific funders. So this is all funders, and I can break it down by, for example, just ABC Bank, deals, and loans. Now, another way we can interact with the data, we have a demographics dashboard where you can see the breakdown. In this case here, I've already filtered it to women-owned and veteran-owned deals and projects, but I can see it for the organization as a whole too, and you can see the filters changing, and also the breakdown here for the organization as a whole by state and throughout the map of the United States here. In this case here in our dummy data, we're using an example of a national CDFI. In terms of reports, how does this look like in Salesforce? We can generate similar reports in Salesforce too, or other types of impact reports. For example, if we look for the CDFI Fund Transaction Level Report, or TLR, we can break it down here by year. So we're looking, let's say we're looking at loans that with deals that were closed in 2020. So you can see the breakdown, with all the different projects and deals you work with and all the data filled in, as long as it is entered in Salesforce. And we help our clients make this process as easy as possible for their staff, so that we can try to avoid as much manual entry as possible. For example, using online forms for the clients to fill in a lot of this data. Now, where does this data come from? What drives this data? In our CDFI Accelerator, we have a foundational structure that can be the basis of the work that you do. But of course, what we're going to do is customize it for your needs. So for example, these stages here can totally change based on what you need. You can see we have a central, what we call our project, but it could be called a deal or whatever you want to call it. This central object has great information about the project itself, critical dates, sources and uses, and for example, important location information, as well as target population information that's really important to the CDFI fund. The other thing that we can focus on here are actual sources and uses, where the money is coming from. For example, for this carry construction project, there's some obviously from your organization, but then there might be external, like third-party financing, in this case here, for example, ABC Bank, or it could be also here from their own equity from, in this case here, the client. And then you can also see a breakdown of uses as well, what the money is being used for in this particular project. In terms of your own sources, what we can do here is we click on this and you can see information regarding your loan, such as key dates, loan terms, fees, risk rating, and also important transaction level report fields. Now, remember those impact charts I showed you? I want to go back to that and show this to you as well really quickly. You can see the breakdown in terms of financials and impact. So we can see here financials going from the baseline years 0 to 4, and you can see trends over time. And same thing for the impact metrics. So baseline year 0 and trends over time from years 1 to 4. And if we click on one of these records here, you can see the type of fields we can track for you. For example, jobs, housing, square footage, community facility capacity, and of course, whatever metrics are unique to your organization. So this is a quick overview of our CDFI Accelerator, some of the things it can do. If you would like more information, please reach out to www.craftsman.com craftsmantech.com at our website. Thank you. Take care. Bye.